Hi guys, investing in a professional drone requires careful consideration of the specific needs and requirements of the intended use. By prioritizing features such as camera quality, flight time, navigation systems, payload capacity, durability, regulatory compliance, and remote control functionality, professionals can choose a drone that not only meets their current needs but also allows for future growth and versatility in their operations. All products have to provide a certain level of satisfaction, receive positive reviews from trusted sources, and offer the right balance of value for money. If it ticks the right boxes, it's worthy of the list. So, let's get started. Number 5, MINISO Z908 Pro Max Drone 4K Professional. This Max Drone 4K is here with the 36% price off. Now you can get it at around $5. MINISO, known for its innovative and quality products, introduces the Z908 Pro Max drone, a professional-grade quadcopter that redefines the aerial photography experience. Packed with cutting-edge features, this drone caters to both enthusiasts and professionals, offering an immersive and high-definition perspective from the sky. Professional imaging with 4K and 8K HD cameras at the core of the Z908 Pro Max is its powerful camera system. With both 4K and 8K HD cameras, this drone ensures that every shot is a masterpiece. Whether you're a professional photographer or an avid hobbyist, the Z908 Pro Max imaging capabilities promise stunning clarity and detail in every aerial photograph. Brushless motors for smooth and stable flight. Equipped with brushless motors, the Z908 Pro Max delivers a smooth and stable flight experience. These high-performance motors not only contribute to the drone's agility but also enhance its durability. Whether capturing dynamic aerial videos or hovering for the perfect still shot, the brushless motors ensure precision in every movement. Optical flow technology and obstacle avoidance. Navigating the skies becomes effortless with the Z908 Pro Max optical flow technology. This feature enables the drone to maintain a stable position, enhancing control during flights. User-friendly design for intuitive operation. MINISO prioritizes user experience with the Z908 Pro Max's intuitive design. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner, the user-friendly controls make operation straightforward. Compact and portable. The Z908 Pro Max is designed with portability in mind. Its compact form factor allows for easy transportation, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go aerial adventures. The next is Number 4, Lenovo Drone's new Lu200 8K Professinal with 4K. This Lenovo drones is here with the 63% price off. Now you can get it at around $6. Lenovo, a pioneer in cutting-edge technology, has unveiled its latest marvel in the world of drones, the Lenovo Lu200. Designed to cater to both professional photographers and enthusiastic beginners, the Lu200 brings together state-of-the-art features, including 8K imaging capabilities and innovative obstacle avoidance, all packaged with the added convenience of free shipping. 8K professional imaging, a visual feast. The Lenovo Lu200 sets a new standard in aerial photography with its 8K camera, ensuring that every detail is captured with astonishing clarity. Whether you are a professional photographer looking to elevate your work or a drone hobbyist wanting to explore the beauty of the world from above, the Lu200's 8K resolution promises a visual feast of breathtaking landscapes and stunning aerial shots. Tri-camera system for versatility. Adding a layer of versatility, the Lu200 is equipped with a tri-camera system, featuring 4K lenses that complement the powerhouse 8K camera. This combination provides users with a range of options for capturing images and videos with varying perspectives, ensuring that every moment is documented in the best possible way. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Navigate with confidence. Safety takes precedence in the design of the Lenovo Lu200, featuring a cutting-edge 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. The quadcopter intelligently detects obstacles from all directions, autonomously adjusting its flight path to avoid collisions. This feature not only ensures the longevity of the drone but also instills child-friendly design, fun and safe flying experience. Lenovo understands the curiosity of young minds, and the Lu200 is crafted with a child-friendly design that encourages safe exploration. With features like obstacle avoidance and user-friendly controls, children can experience the thrill of flying a drone while parents enjoy peace of mind knowing their young aviators are in good hands. The next is Number 3, new V168 Drone Professinal 3-Camera 8K. This new V168 drone is here with the 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $10. The drone landscape welcomes a new contender with the V168 Professional drone, a technological marvel boasting 3 high-quality cameras and a suite of features designed to elevate aerial photography to unprecedented levels. Triple camera powerhouse. At the heart of the V168's capabilities lie 3 powerful cameras, providing users with a versatile range of options to capture stunning visuals. The camera choices include 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 6K, and 5G Wi-Fi 8K, ensuring that every shot is infused with unparalleled detail and clarity. Wide-angle vision and optical GPS localization. The V168 stands out with its 8K wide-angle optical cameras, offering panoramic views that were once reserved for professionals. The integration of GPS localization technology ensures pinpoint accuracy in navigation, enhancing the overall stability and precision of the quadcopter. 4-way obstacle avoidance. For unmatched safety. Safety takes center stage with the V168, featuring a 4-way obstacle avoidance system. Advanced sensors strategically placed on the drone detect obstacles from all directions, allowing for autonomous adjustments to avoid collisions. Extended flight time and efficient charging. Equipped with a 7.4V 2000 mAh LiPo battery, the V168 ensures an impressive single battery life of 22 to 25 minutes. This extended flight time allows users to capture more footage in a single session. Highly responsive remote control. The V168 comes with a highly responsive remote control, offering a control distance of up to 3,000 meters. Pilots can navigate their quadcopter with precision and ease, capturing the perfect shot from a distance. Sleek design and elegant black aesthetics meet functionality with the V168's sleek black design. The quadcopter's stylish appearance adds a touch of sophistication to its impressive technological capabilities. The next is Number 2, M8 Professional Drone with Camera 4K HD. This professional drone is here with the 40% price off. Now you can get it at around $26. In the ever-evolving landscape of drone technology, the M8 Professional drone emerges as a game-changer, setting new standards in aerial photography and remote-controlled flight. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge capabilities, the M8 promises enthusiasts and professionals alike an unparalleled experience in capturing breathtaking moments from the sky. 4K HD aerial photography at your fingertips. At the core of the M8's capabilities lies its impressive 4K HD camera. Designed for professional-grade aerial photography, this high-resolution camera ensures stunning clarity and vivid detail in every shot. Optical flow positioning. For precision flight. Navigating the M8 through the skies is made remarkably precise with its optical flow positioning system. This technology allows the drone to maintain a stable position, even in the face of varying altitudes or environmental conditions. 5,000 meters distance. Explore beyond boundaries. One of the standout features of the M8 is its impressive control distance, reaching up to 5,000 meters. This expansive range grants pilots the freedom to explore vast landscapes and capture stunning visuals from a distance that was once considered out of reach. Electronic image stabilization. For seamless shots. Aerial photography often encounters challenges such as wind gusts or sudden movements. The M8 addresses this with its electronic image stabilization technology. This feature ensures that every shot remains steady and clear, even in less than ideal flying conditions. Obstacle avoidance. Safe and hassle-free flight. Safety is paramount, and the M8 prioritizes it with its obstacle avoidance system. Equipped with advanced sensors, the drone can detect obstacles in its path and autonomously navigate around them, reducing the risk of collisions. Remote control helicopter. Intuitive piloting. The M8 comes with a user-friendly remote control, making piloting the drone an intuitive and enjoyable experience. The next is Number 1, Xiaomi MIJIA G6 Drone 8K 5G Professional. This G6 drone is here with the 80% price off. Now you can get it at around $8. The Xiaomi MIJIA G6 drone stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and excellence. Xiaomi has once again raised the bar with its MIJIA G6 drone, a powerful quadcopter designed for professional-grade aerial photography. Packed with cutting-edge features, this drone promises to deliver a seamless and immersive experience for enthusiasts and professionals alike. High-resolution aerial imaging. At the heart of the MIJIA G6 is an 8K camera, capable of capturing stunningly detailed images and videos. This drone is equipped with a self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization lens, ensuring crystal-clear footage even in challenging flight conditions. The 5G high-frequency image transmission system and Wi-Fi connectivity enhance real-time streaming, providing users with a dynamic perspective from above. GPS and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Navigating the skies is made effortless with the MIJIA G6 GPS system. It enables precise location tracking, waypoint navigation, and a reliable return-to-home feature. State-of-the-art motor and ESC technology. The MIJIA G6 is powered by brushless motors with an impressive ESC rating of 4000 kV. This combination not only ensures a smooth and stable flight but also contributes to the drone's overall durability. Intelligent lithium battery and extended flight time. A drone's endurance is critical for capturing the perfect shot. The MIJIA G6 boasts an intelligent lithium battery with a capacity of 3.7 V 2200 mAh. This, coupled with the drone's efficient power management system, grants users an impressive flight time of approximately 30 minutes, ample duration to explore and capture breathtaking landscapes. Altitude setting and optical flow localization. Achieving the perfect shot requires precision, and the MIJIA G6 delivers just that with its pressure sensor for altitude setting and optical flow localization. So this is the best option for you to buy.